We are pleased to show you the 2021 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window wiper. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.